Welcome to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Let us continue the trains topic. Question number 12. Two trains start at same time from Hyderabad and Delhi and proceed towards each other at the rate of 80 km per hour and 95 km per hour respectively. When they meet, it is found that one train has travelled 180 km more. Find the distance between Delhi and Hyderabad. Let the distance covered by train 1 be D1 and the distance covered by train 2 is D2. It is given that D2 minus D1 is equal to 15 km per hour. Now the second train moves 180 kilometers in 1 by 15 into 180, which is equal to in 12 hours it moves 180 kilometers. Since both the trains are moving in the opposite direction, the relative speed of both the trains is 175. That is 80 plus 95 is 175. We know that speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is 175 and the distance we should find it by time is 12 hours. We got 12 hours. On multiplication, we get 175 into 12 as 2100 kilometers is the distance between Delhi and Hyderabad. Instead of doing all the above calculations, we can find the answer by using a simple formula. The distance between the 2 points is difference in distance into sum of the speeds by difference of the speed. Difference in distance is 180 kilometers into sum of the speeds is 175 by the difference of speeds is 15. We get this as 2100 kilometers. In a single step, we can find the answer. Question number 13. Two trains A and B are 110 kilometers apart on a straight line. A train starts from A towards B at 40 kilometers per hour speed. After 2 hours, another train starts from B and travel towards A at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour. When will first train meet the second train? Let the train 1 meets the second train after X hours. It starts. The total distance travelled is 110 kilometers. Distance is equal to speed into speed is 40 and time taken is x hours in the first train case, and in the second train it starts 2 hours later. So x minus 2 into the speed is 50. We can write this as 110 is equal to 40x plus 50x minus 100. 90x is equal to 210. X is equal to 210 by 90. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 3 3s are 3 7s are. So x is equal to 7 by 3 hours. We can write this as x is equal to 2 1 by 3 hours. 14th question. A train passes by a stationary man on a platform in 7 seconds and passes platform completely in 28 seconds. If the length of the platform is 330 meters, what is the length of the train? In this question, speed is same in both the cases. We know that speed is equal to distance by time. In the first one, that is when crossing a man, the distance is the length of the train. So take it as x. X by time is 7 seconds. And in the second case, when it is crossing the platform, it is x plus 330, that is the length of the platform, by time is given as 28 seconds. Force 4x is equal to x plus 330. 3x is equal to 330. So x is equal to 330 by 3. We get the length of the train, that is x is equal to 110 meters. Now let us see a simple formula. If a train L meters long with speed x kilometers per hour crosses another train in t seconds, then the time taken by it to cover its own length is 18 by 5 into L by x. X is the speed of the train and L is length of the train. In the first case, if 18 by 5 into L by x is greater than 3, then both the trains are in opposite direction. That is, they are moving in opposite direction. Case 2. If 18 by 5 into L by x is less than t, then both the trains are moving in same direction. Let us see a question. A train 105 meters long moving at a speed of 54 kilometers per hour crosses another train in 6 seconds. Now there are 3 conditions given. Trains are moving in opposite direction, trains are moving in same direction, other train is not moving. Let us solve this. Here L is equal to 105 and x is equal to 54. So 18 by 5 into 105 by 54, 21 times 18 ones 18, 3s, 3 ones 3, 7. Since we got 7 which is greater than 6, that is the t, both the trains are moving in opposite direction. So option A is correct. Question number 16. Two trains of equal length but with speeds different crosses a pole in 4 seconds and 5 seconds. In what time will they cross each other when they are moving in same direction? Let the length of the train be x in both the cases because both the trains are of equal length. Then the speed becomes, speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is x by time is 4 seconds in the first one and distance is x and time is 5 seconds in the second one. Now the total distance is 2x, that is x plus x, that is length of both the trains. Now relative speed when they are moving in the same direction becomes difference. So x by 4 minus x by 5. We get this as x by 20 meters per second. We know that time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 2x and speed is x by 20. We can write this as 2 into 20 into x by x. X and x gets cancelled. The answer is 40 seconds. Both the trains cross each other in 40 seconds when they are moving in same direction. If same question is given, but in the question if the trains are moving in opposite direction is given, here the relative speed becomes x by 4 plus x by 5. Question number 17. This is similar to question number 16, but here the trains are of unequal length and both are moving in the opposite direction. Let us solve this. Length of the first train is 100 meters and length of the second train is 125 meters. Now the speed becomes 100 by time is 4 seconds and in this case 125 by 7. Now the total distance traveled becomes sum of the length of the trains, that is 100 plus 125, that is 225 meters is the total distance. Now the relative speed, as both are moving in the opposite directions, it becomes 100 by 4 is 25. So 25 plus 125 by 7. 300 by 7 meters per second is the relative speed. We know that time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 225 into 300. 7 goes to the numerator. Let us cancel this. 45 times and it is 60 times. 15 threes and 15 fours. 3 by 4 into 7. We get the value as 5. We get the value as 5.25 seconds. 18th question. Two trains of lengths 100 meters and 125 meters with same speeds pass a pole in 4 seconds and 5 seconds respectively. And what time will they cross each other? They are moving in same direction and opposite direction. In the first case, that is A, they don't cross each other because both are moving in same direction and of same speed. So they don't cross each other. Let us solve B. Length is given as 100 meters and 125 meters. Now the speed becomes 100 by time is 4 seconds. Here 125 by 5. 25 times 25. That is 25 and 25. Both the speeds of the trains is same. The total distance becomes 100 plus 125. That is 225. The relative speed is, as both are moving in the opposite direction, it is sum of the speeds, that is 25 plus 25 becomes 50. We know that time is equal to distance by speed 2 times. So time is 4.5 seconds. If you like my explanation, please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel and also share with your friends. Question number 20. Two trains of length 100 meters and 80 meters respectively runs parallelly on lines of rails. When running in same direction, the faster train passes the slower in 18 seconds, but moving in the opposite direction with the same speed as earlier, they pass each other in 9 seconds. Find the speed of both trains. Let the speed of first train be x and speed of second train be y. Now the relative speed when they are moving in the same direction, that is x minus y meters per second. And the relative speed when they are moving in the opposite direction is x plus y meters per second. We know that speed is equal to distance by time. X minus y is equal to 100 plus 80. That is sum of length of both the trains by the time given is 18. So we get this as 180 by 18. So x minus y is 10 and x plus y is equal to 100 plus 80 by the time given is 9. 180 by 9, it is 20. On solving both these equations, we get x is equal to 15 meters per second and y is equal to 5 meters per second. This is the speed of the first train and this is the speed of the second train. Question number 21. A train overtakes two persons who are walking in the same direction as the train is moving at the rate of 2 km per hour and 4 km per hour and passes them completely in 9 seconds and 10 seconds. Find the length of the train. The speed of the first man is given as 2 km per hour. Converting this into meters per second multiplied by 5 by 18. We get this as 5 by 9 meters per second. Now the speed of the second man is 4 into 5 by 18. We get the value as 10 by 9 meters per second. Let the train speed be x. Now the relative speed related to man 1 is x minus 5 by 9 meters per second and related to second person, that is x minus 10 by 9 meters per second. Now length of the speed is relative speed into time taken to pass the man. Here the length of the train is same in both the cases. So relative speed x minus 5 by 9 into time taken in the first case is 9 and x minus 10 by 9 and time taken in the second case is 10 seconds as 9x minus 5 by 9 into 9 is equal to 9x minus 10 by 9 into 10. We get 9 and 9 gets cancelled. 81x minus 45 is equal to 90x minus 100. 100 minus 45 is equal to 9x. We get the value of x is 55 by 9 meters per second. This is the speed of the train in meters per second. Now to find the length of the train. Length of train, we can take either of this. Let us take the first one, x minus 5 by 9 into 9. 5 by 9 is 55 by 9 minus 5 by 9 into 9. We get 50 meters is the length of the train. Question number 23. A train 96 meters in length pass a pole in 6 seconds and another train of length 144 meters moving in the same direction in 24 seconds. Find the speed of the second train. Now the speed of the first train is length of the train by time given, which is equal to 16 meters per second. Now the relative speed in the second case is length of the train plus length of the second train by the time given is 24. We get this as 240 by 24, which is equal to 10 meters per second. Now the speed of the second train is difference of the relative speed and the first train speed. That is, first train speed is 16 meters per second by the relative speed is 10 meters per second. So the speed of the second train is 6 meters per second. Converting this into kilometers, 6 into 18 by 5. We get this as 108 by 5. This can be written as 21 3 by 5 kilometers per hour is the speed of the second train. Second train speed is 21 3 by 5 kilometers per hour. Question number 24. Two trains A and B start from Delhi and Patna towards Patna and Delhi respectively. After passing each other, they take 4 hours 48 minutes and 3 hours 20 minutes to reach Patna and Delhi respectively. If the train from Delhi is moving 45 kilometers per hour speed, then find the speed of the other train. We can use a simple formula here. Speed of the other train is equal to speed of first train into root of time taken by the first train after meeting by time taken by the train 2 after meeting. Now the time 4 hours 48 minutes can be written as 4 48 by 60, that is 4 by 5 hours. 3 hours 20 minutes can be written as 3 20 by 60, this is 3 1 by 3 hours. Now the speed of the second train is speed of first train is 45 into root of 4 by 5 by 3 1 by 3. Keep this in root. We get this as 45 into root of 24 by 5 into 3 by 10, which is equal to 45 into root of 36 by 25. That is 45 into 6 by 5. We get 54 kilometers per hour is the speed of the second train.